My name's Giraffe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my huge haul from the bayou. Ha-ha! I'm really excited. I bought a bunch of dresses, so it was really expensive, but they were at a good price, so it's fine. So yeah, let's get into it because I'm really excited because I've got two pretty old baby dresses in here that I'm really excited about. Eesh. There we go. Making a mess that I'm gonna have to clean up later. Ooh. Okay, so first what we have in here is this package. I'm gonna try to open the smaller ones first. I know I have small items. That's so weird. It's all in like big stuff. Okay, this one feels thick, so I'm gonna hold that for later. This one feels thin, so we're gonna open this one first. Okay. Whoop. And this is, ooh, my cardigan. So I got a mint cardigan that's in a farm fresh milk, whole milk from Healthy Cow, keep refrigerated. So I gotta keep this cardigan refrigerated. It is another baby cardigan. I love these baby cardigans so much. This one's really, really nice because it's not like thick wool. I have two that are thick wool, and this one's more of a cotton. And this is really cute. It's got like little bows all over it. Look at all those cute little bows. And then it says baby over here because I always have to have it say baby somehow. But it's super adorable. It has like that little crown there and it's like baby pink and then the little bows. It's really pretty. I'm really glad I got this because mint is such a hard color to find. I initially tried to buy the like Little Dipper bolero in mint, but they said it was out of stock, like it wasn't available, and I was like, no, and I still want a mint cardigan, so I went ahead and bought this guy. She's super cute. Look at her. Ah! Okay, next up, let's see what we have in this ginormous box. This is probably another dress. I'm trying to figure out, I got a necklace, but I don't know which one. Okay, I think this one's the necklace. Let's see here. Yes, this one is the necklace. Ooh, and they even packaged it like really nicely so that it wouldn't break. Okay. Because I did pay a hefty amount for it. Look at me breaking stuff. I was going to say I did pay a hefty amount for this necklace, but it's all worth it because I also have the skirt that matches it now, and it'll go with like a million of my other things because I can get her out. Come on. I believe in you. You can get out of there. Ooh, bubble wrap with more bubble wrap. Ooh, cute washi tape. Look at the washi tape. Eee. Let's get her out of there without breaking it. There we go. Haha! Yes. All right, so this is, if I can get it to sit right, this is I think it's something like sugar icing cookie or something like that, but it's a really cute Usakumya necklace, and it's like really fancy looking. She's like this little cute cookie right there, and then it says baby and all golden, and I really like that the rest of the necklace are like these pearls that are really like shiny and iridescent, and they're all pastel colored, so it goes with like the majority of my wardrobe, and it goes with anything that has a kumya on it, which is like at least like half of my wardrobe. So yeah, it's really cute, really adorable. I'm so glad I found this because I was starting to look for it because I was like, I need more jewelry, and then I found this and I was like, yes. So yeah, and she's even got like little gems on her ears. I don't know if you guys can see that. It probably isn't focusing, but she's got little gems on her ears and on that bow. It's really adorable. And this feels a lot more worth it than like an angelic pretty necklace that's just a bunch of little thin pieces of plastic put together. This is actually like thick and like sculpted and pretty, and it's not just, it doesn't feel cheap is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, people who like AP jewelry, I cannot, at least not for scalper prices, because everything that comes out ends up coming out for scalper prices. I'm not gonna pay $100+ for a necklace, sorry. Anyways, on to the dresses. We got 3, 1, 2, and 3. I don't know which one I want to open first. Let's do this one because this one's easiest to open. Or actually, no, we'll save the easy for last. We're gonna do the hardest one first. So we're gonna open this box. Let's see here. Ooh! Actually, this is the dress I kind of want to open last. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. We already opened it. We're committed. Okay. This dress, I don't even know what the official name of it is. Cause it's, I don't know. It just says on the library, it just says Poodle Frill JSK. But it's if you look around the secondhand market, sometimes you see these little cute poodles on like the cardigans, like the baby cardigan with these poodles on it, or maybe like a scarf with these poodles on it. But look at that, it's so beautiful. And this is like a nice kind of like old schoolish sort of dress that's still like super sweet. And it has like these cute little dogs over here. They're so fuzzy. Anyways, these cute little poodles, and then there's like a bunch of little hearts, and they're like falling in love, and it's so cute. And then look at this, look at the, I can't speak. And look at the bodice. It's like so cute. It's got the scallops, and then just like this, all of this going on here. I can't think of the word right now for this type of pattern or whatever, but yeah, it's got the little roses and the lace, and it goes all the way down there. And then also it does have shirring, yay! So hopefully this fits me. It looks pretty big, to be honest. And wow, this is in like really great condition. Like I'm just staring at it right now. There's no huge yellowing or nothing like that. But also, look at this. This is the reason I got it. Look at all these frills. Look at all these frills. I love it so much. I just love the way, because I've always loved the Decoration Dream dress with a bustle on it. And so this is kind of like me manifesting it into another dress. Yeah, so I really like this dress. I'm so glad I found it, because I thought this was gonna be super hard to find, and if I found it, it would be in horrible condition or it would be way overpriced. But yeah, this was at a decent price, and I'm just really glad that I found it. It's so pretty. I just love anything with dogs on it, and it's baby, and it's like an old school dress. Moving on. Let's open this one. If I can get it in here. Ooh, okay, this is the other baby dress. Okay, so this comes in a Ziploc bag. Apparently we don't have to refrigerate this one. It does have some cute little like design on it. So this is Pop in a Cup. I already have the skirt, but I've been wanting it in pink, and then I realized there's a cute JSK version of it, and it just so happened to pop up too. Like everything has just so happened to pop up while I was looking in January, so I was like, oh my gosh. But anyways, this is Pop in a Cup. Hopefully it fits me, because I think this is notoriously small. It kind of looks a little small, but it does have shirring, so even if it's a little bit too tight, I could always take the elastic out of the shirring. This one is also really similar to the poodle one, in that it has this scallop over here, but the rest of the bodice, like it has these two like lines here, but it's a different lace, and then it doesn't have any of the stuff going on in the middle. And then the rest of it is just Pop in a Cup. What can I say? World's most adorable dog and world's most delicious frappe print dress, whatever it's called. It's so adorable. I just really love these little puppies in their little cuppies. Yeah, so it has like strawberries and little puppies in their cups, just having a good time, having puppuccinos or something like that. The reason why it was at a decent price was because there's like a little stain on the lace here, which is really easy to take off, especially because it's white. I mean, so yeah, this is gonna be doable at least, and it's not super damaged in any other way that I can see. So I'm really glad. I really hope this fits. That's the only thing that I'm scared about, because the skirt was kind of small on me and I had to take the elastic out for it to be able to close. But I'm so excited, so excited. I also have 2 of the matching cut sews for this dress, which is why I'm probably gonna keep the skirt and go against my rule of not having multiples of one print, simply because I can't show off that I have the matching cut sew if it has a bodice. Oh, look at how pretty she is. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I forgot to mention, look, it has the cute little neckties right here. So you can do like the cute little like cross looking thing right here on the top. And I love that. Moving on to the final dress. This one was more of an impulse buy and not something that I've been like desperately looking for a while, but it was still at a good price, and I was like, you know what, it's at a good price. And also my shopping service kind of refunded me for a dress that I really wanted, like a dream dress that I really wanted, and I was really upset because the seller just was like, I'm not shipping it, never mind. And I was just like, I was so excited for that dress too. I started making a necklace out of clay that matched it, and then they were like, yeah, just kidding. Okay, oh wow, this is a lot prettier in person. I thought it was gonna be really dark, because like some people were saying that this dress is kind of notoriously like dark, but it's not. Ooh, this is so cute, oh my goodness. Okay, so I got Candy Sprinkle, and oh, these are so much cuter in person. I love the way that the lyrical bunny, and I think it's called Shy Bear. I don't even know. I'm a horrible person, Sweet Lolita, for not knowing the names of the AP mascots, but they just look so cute on here. Like, they don't have like the really thick stitches or nothing. They're just super tiny, super happy to be here, happy to be on that cute little mood. And just wow, like if you look so closely at this, there's so many cute little things in this print, and I love that it's all kind of like iridescent, and it kind of reminds me of like jewelry jelly with like these stars. Look at how these stars look. They kind of look like those lollipops. Like, I don't know, they look really delicious, honestly. But wow, this is really nice in person. Wow, okay. And it's really thick and just, and also I just really like that it's a really cute lavender print. I think my favorite colorway in this dress is black, just because it seems like the print comes out more, but this is still really beautiful. And I don't have a lot of lavender dresses. I realize that all my lavender dresses are just purple with ponies on them, and I only have 2 lavender dresses, which are both bodyline. I might sell them and then just keep this one, but we'll see. But yeah, it's really cute. The only problem is I also don't have any purple headpieces. I did buy one, but I used the cheapest shipping, and so it shipped off at the end of December, and it's still not here. And this one I paid for the more expensive shipping, and it got here within like less than a week. So it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got my super sweet dress, and then I got my 2 like old school baby dresses. Look at this. There's this one. They do look really similar, I'm not gonna lie, but at least the prints are different. But they both are like pink with red, and like the bodice has like scallops on them, which I really love. This one's a lot heavier just because it's got so many layers on it, but it just matches. It's another like cute little kind of love core sort of dress, which is what I'm wearing right now because it's around Valentine's Day. So that is all I got in this order. It's not too many items, but it's also a lot of main pieces, so I'm really excited. I'm so excited about this dress. And the Candy Sprinkle is so pretty too. And then this is just like my preferred cut of Pup in a Cup, so I'm really excited. I finally found I'm really excited that I found my preferred cut of Pup in a Cup, and it's the pink one, and it's not in horrible condition, because a lot of times, because this dress is so old, and just because of like, I guess the type of fabric it is, it gets like yellowed really easily or stained really easily. No, and I keep having to look at all this stuff. It's so cute. Look at this. Look at this necklace. It's so cute. Okay, anyways. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.